Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's an exciting one as we're swapping out the old worn out brakes on my MX-5 RF for something a bit fresher and a bit more sportier feeling. The current discs and pads have definitely seen better days, lots of surface rust, slight scoring and just generally past their prime. I've decided to upgrade to a set of Brembo discs and pads. Nothing wild, just a solid OEM Plus setup for improved performance and peace of mind. First up we have the front discs. The discs are UV coated to help prevent corrosion. Next up we have the rear discs. Here we have the front pads. And lastly the rear pads. I've put all the product information in the video description below. Here they are installed by my local garage, and just driving home I could feel a big difference. Now, this bit's important. New pads and discs need to be bed in properly. So I've reset the trip computer and I'm going to take it easy for the next 150 miles. So light braking, no harsh stopping, just allowing everything to settle in. I'll report back with how they feel after the bedding in period, but so far I'm very pleased with the upgrade. Thanks for watching. If you like this, drop a like, maybe even subscribe for more MX-5 content, and I'll see you in the next one.